I had so many people that asked me, what type of camera do you use for your YouTube videos? Well, let me open up my camera bag and show you what's inside. I take this camera bag with me everywhere that we go to shoot a video for our YouTube channel. That is for videos at events, expos, markets, open gardens, our camping videos, and even our overseas trips. You have to keep in mind that when you go out for such a video production for YouTube, there is no lighting technician, there is no sound engineer, no trained cameraman, there's no director, no script or scriptwriter, and there is not much planning that goes into such a production. So you have to make sure that you've got all the equipment that you might need on that day inside your camera bag. When you do such a video, there's no before practice, there's no second take. It's only me and the camera and of course the assistant of my wife. It's only one take and it's a wrap. You only discover what footage you got when you get back to the studio at the end of the day. There might be some mistakes like wind noise or camera settings, but with YouTube you're allowed a few mistakes. At this stage, can I ask you for your support and please do subscribe to my channel. I need your subscription for that algorithm and to allow our channel to grow. You're also welcome to leave a comment in the comment section below and we will reply. Well, let's continue and I'll show you what's inside my camera bag. So please keep watching this video. The first camera in my bag is this Canon M50. I had it for some years. The reason why I chose this camera is because it's small and lightweight. It's also easy and simple to operate. Another reason is that it is compatible with my gimbal. When I plug it into the gimbal, I can control the camera settings direct from the handle. Another reason is also that it has interchangeable lenses. That makes it easy for what you want to film. And then lastly, I think that it has excellent footage. The second camera in my bag is also a Canon M50. Now the reason why I've got two of these cameras is I placed the zoom lens on the one camera and the wide angle lens on the other camera. It just makes it easy if you film an event like an air show or an interview. You can take the two footages at one shot and edit it in post-production. The reason why I've got two of the same cameras, it just makes it easier to edit that same footage in post-production. Okay, my third camera is a GoPro. This is a Hero 8 with a Media Mod. The Media Mod is just to plug in an external mic for better quality sound. The reason why I've got the GoPro is for that more stable footage. It's like an action camera. The GoPro I use when I, for instance, film from my motorcycle or from the car, because this GoPro has just excellent stabilization and it gives you that more quality and better footage. The fourth camera that I've got is another GoPro. The reason why I've got two GoPros is that when I film, for instance, from my motorcycle, I can have the one camera on my helmet and the other one on the handlebars. So the one camera films me while I'm talking and the other one the road. It's the same when driving in the car. The camera is on the windscreen, the one pointed to me and the other one towards the road that I'm driving. That means that I can get all footage at one take and I can just edit it afterwards in post. Well, many people ask me, why don't you use the GoPro for all your footage? Well, you cannot compare the GoPro with something like this Canon M50 mirrorless camera. This camera has got much more settings, more features, interchangeable lenses. And the footage that you get from this is much more superior than from the GoPro. So this Canon M50 will always be my first choice of camera. Well, can I refer to this as camera number 5 and camera number 6? This is the mini DJI drone that I use for that footage from above, because it gives you such a nice perspective and understanding of the surroundings. Then my last and sixth camera is this DJI Neo drone. This I use for that follow me shots and just a lot of fun. Then I also carry a few lenses with me for when I need it. This is a 55 to 250 zoom lens. I have a 50mm vintage lens, the Canon 15 to 45mm lens, and then also a 22mm pancake lens that goes into my camera bag. Then I also carry some microphones, like this microphone that fits onto the camera, or this Boya wireless mics. Then I will always carry with me some extra fully charged batteries and some SIM cards if needed. Well, the last things that I carry in my carry bag is just some cleaning equipment for my cameras. Well, now you know what I carry in my carry bag. I hope that you've liked this video. If you did, please press that like button and give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to our channel as we have many more videos to follow. And I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.